That was a bug. So here is my beloved Triumph Tiger Sport 660. And what we're doing today is replacing the factory installed paper air filter. So I guess the question is, why replace the air filter in the first place? And I guess there's really two concrete answers for that. And number one is the existing ones, they're trash. You can use them once and you throw them away, and that's kind of wasteful and it's just throwing money out into a landfill, right? The second reason, if that's not enough for you to get a reusable one or a high performance one, is the performance aspect of it. I mean, these guys, they're developed to deliver a higher performance. More air into your engine equals more power. And that's pretty much the bottom line. So the first question is, where the heck is the air filter? The short answer, in here somewhere. So it looks like you need to get into this box right here, which is covered by this tank. This section right here is the actual air box, and you will need to disconnect a couple of things to make sure it comes out, and then you can replace the actual filter. There's a hose right here and a hose on the other side that's the same. Okay, so this is the hose that we're talking about right here. That needs to be unplugged. And on the other side, same deal. There it is in there, right there. And the other thing that needs to be unscrewed is that screw right there. You can see right there. And then the whole box should come out, and then you can install the new filter. Something like this would be helpful because otherwise you won't be able to reach inside there. I heard that there's a real big divide between engineers who come up with these wonderful machines and mechanics that have to work on repairing them. Engineers do all these lovely things like making everything look nice and tight and neat, but then that kind of gives problems to mechanics because it's so unbelievably impractical how to get to some of these pieces. Real quick, before we proceed with the replacement of the air filter, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. It'll help me, and you want to help me. All right, fine. On with the show. And then you might want to cover up the areas where this was plugged in so that no dust and dirt gets in there. Oh, look at this gross thing. Goes right back into the same slot. And there you go. Now let's put this thing back. You want to just loosen this up a little bit so that it's not so tight on it, and that way you can reinstall this a little bit more easily. There it is. There it is. So what's left to do is to button this thing up and not forget any of the bolts you may have left. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I got plenty of other videos for the Triumph Tiger Sport 660 and other stuff like helmet reviews and etc. I'll see you next time. Ride safe.